This time we'll be making the dancer. We're going to be using the pen tool. So let's look here at our toolbar. And we'll notice here there's something called the pen tool. And if you click underneath, there's the freeform pen tool, the add anchor, the lead anchor, and convert anchor. We'll be using the pen tool, or we'll be using the convert anchor point. And possibly the add anchor and the lead anchor. But let's see how it goes. Let's start off with using the pen tool. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the basic shape to start the dancer. Now it's going to seem a little bit weird to you because you don't know the tool. But just follow my steps. I'm going to click on one point and I'm going to make what would be the curve in the U. It's going to look like a V. And I'm going to click again. So that's, now it looks like I'm making a shape here. I'm not, but because I'm going to come down, it's going to invert the shape. That would be the width, the waist. This would be that long leg. I'm going to come out here. And then I'm going to close this off. And you need to see that little circle appear. If I had put my pen here and I click, I wouldn't close the circle, the polygon, until I see that little circle. See that little circle? You click, we've now closed the polygon. Now I want to make it have those curvy feelings. So we're going to go over to the tools again, and this time we're going to look over at a tool called the Convert Anchor tool right here. We're going to click on that. And when I use that, over here, this part of the image is a point. So there's a point and then there's an arc. So if I click on it, I can create an arc. So that's an arc. I click it again, that's a point. So we're converting the anchor point into an arc. Now, if you get something that looks like this, just undo your mouse and come out. So now I'm doing that upper part here. All right, and then I'm going to do the same thing here. Don't worry if you don't get it right the exact first time. It takes a little tweaking. So I'm going to do that, and now I'm going to go on here, and I'm going to do this one. Okay, and so now I'm getting more of that rounded feeling. Once you get that rounded feeling, switch over to your direct select, which lets you grab individual points. If I grab this corner now, I can stretch this. If I want this arm to look a little longer, I can bring, oops, missed it. Grab this arm, make it come up a little higher. I can bring this one down, bring it up. I can pull these items and, twist the curve a little bit more. It's up to you. I can bring it in some, pull this up, bring this over so there's more room. So you can do all kinds of adjusting here. Yeah, I'll bring this in a little. Bring this in a little. Let's see. And that'll be okay for me. And again, these will vary. There's no exact here. I'm going to take an ellipse, a circle. I'm going to put a head in there. You can take that head. You can move it around. Oops. Grabbed it with the wrong tool. I need the path select. So I could take it. I can move around. I can hit free transform and change the angle of the head. All right. I think I look here. I think I want this to be, oops. Now, there I'm using path select to move something, stretch it. I have to direct select. So, oops. Click off the whole object and then grab that again. Perfect. Here we go. I like that. And here, let's pull this out. And pull this out a little bit thicker. So you notice I'm still tweaking and adjusting. And then I'm going to put in that rear leg. So I'll do the same thing. I'll grab the pen tool. And I think I clicked. I'm almost going to be making what looks like a boomerang. And now that's my leg. And again, I just want to go in now and soften those by converting these points. Here, and a little curvy there. Now I can take it, and if I want to make it longer or move it toward me, feel free to do that. And if you look at it like that, let me grab the path select now, put it in place, and so I've created my own dancer. So pretty simple to do. Be very playful. Don't overthink it. Have a great time.